Here we have the fuel power fleet, have the hub nuts here. Here's the lineup of ABARTH'S. Look at it in there. Haven't actually seen one of these in the flesh. This has only got 30 odd thousand miles on the clock. I'm kind of getting max power vibes with this one. Yeah, I used to have one of these actually. Even the stick's got some modifications on, like something out of ABARTH'S or something. Hi guys, welcome back to another video back on the Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. Today you join us in, I believe we're at Middle Wallop for the Fuel Power Party held by fellow automotive YouTubers. Fuel Power, big array of cars here, so let's see what's here. So we are just outside Salisbury today, a place called Middle Wallop. Got a big array of vehicles here. I say vehicles, we've got motorbikes here, caravans, classics, a few ABARTH'S here as well. Got a few fellow automotive YouTubers here with their cars. It's nice to be here gathered with some friends, so let's show you what's here. Here we have the Fuel Power fleet. Got the Fit 500, the Fit 100 horsepower with the tow mirrors on, because next to Millie the Mini we have the Fuel Power Caravan. I'm here with Martin. Martin, oi oi, give us away.
Hi there.
Hi there. Got the Nissan here, my parents are here as well and they're ABARTH. We'll have a look at the ABARTH lineup in a minute also. So blessed to have another Nissan 100NX here. Not that I've ever seen another one whilst mine's been out, but this is totally different lead to my 100NX. This has only got 30 odd thousand miles on the clock, I believe. As you can just see here, it's just an absolute minter. We have got aftermarket alloys on. The new owners hasn't had it for very long at all, so he's bought it like this. All the plastics and everything, it's just, like I say, just like a museum car. Nice exhaust system on here, real nice deep burble. I mean, what a beauty this is. Hopefully I can get this on a channel properly soon. It's also a manual, but yeah, we got mine here which isn't so great, and then this is just exceptional. So oh, so deep, isn't it?
Deep burble, isn't it?
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Have a Ferrari here in one of the best colours for a Ferrari. I'm not quite sure my models when it comes to these supercars, only because I'm rather jealous. So let's have a look. So this is, oh, it's not going to help me out, is it? It's debadged. Now I really like this, a Fiat, I always don't say I'm right, Cinquecento, whatever. Nice wheels there, a nice little lip. Really like the two-tone, so you've got the pale blue kind of bodywork with the black at the bottom. Really loving the retro seats, look at these. What a livery in here. Super cool, little Momo steering wheel, little gauge there at the top as well. Love how square these are. It's very cool. A few of you might recognise this setup here. Actually have the hub nuts here, so this is a Berlingo. This is Bella the Berlingo, shall I say. Let's have a quick nosy in there at that lovely two-tone interior, which mine does not have. And here we have Bob the Conway Cruiser. I feel very privileged. Let's go in. Oh wow. I can see why the hub nuts call this cosy and home from home. Very tidy as well, I must say. Must be because it's a show home today. This is weird to be in the Conway from YouTube. Even got some nice homely touches down here as well. Titch the dog. You got Joseph here from the Lloyd Vehicle Consulting in this really nice Rover V6 that has featured on my channel before, so click on the card above to see that. Got a really cool Lotus here, and if you look at it from the front, it kind of looks like it's just parked on the grass with no wheels. But I really like the colour, I've never seen one of these before. Very low, and I've just seen the owner demonstrate to a young kid. The doors actually like go down and you have to go over the door. I mean, look at the design on this. The mirrors, you got one headrest for the driver only, not for the passenger. That's your interior mirror, I suppose. Wow, it's very cool. Let's have a look at the rear as well. It's like something out of ABARTH'S or something. Wow, that is absolutely mad. That is so cool to be here. So have George, the Allegro owned by owner Alex. This is also featured on my channel, so click on the card above if you want to see that. But nice to see Alex here in his russet brown Allegro. We have the Hugo Sana here, which was an ex-Hubnut car. Hello, Mini Hubnut. Hello. Obviously bought as a project from Mr. Hubnut himself. Matt Pink now owns it. Does feature on a Fuel Power channel. Low mileage, I didn't really know that, so 33,000 on the clock. I believe it's up and running a little bit, but still a heavily long-term project car. This really reminds me of the squareness that I had on my Hyundai Pony. We were saying earlier, just very similar cars. But yeah, it's got a very nice big shape to it. We like the shape of it. It's a cool car. I even like, I don't know if these are fog lights, but just the lights clusters going into the rear number plate. Just looks cool, liking the patina. So yeah, it's just one of Matt's many project cars. Parents have brought along their 595 Competizione. They've got the roof open. It's actually a really nice day here. We've had rain all week, but luckily it's all dried out today for Fuel Power's party. Here's the lineup of Abarth's. My dad is parked in the lineup. This looks like a 595 Turismo in podium blue. Nice tan leather I can see in there. It's around the back of the Turismo. This one's actually got a Moretti exhaust system on in the yellow, of course. Quite a few stickers on this one. This is quite funny. This one's powered by Minions apparently, not the T-Jet turbo engine that most of the Abarth's normally have. A Trofeo like I used to have. So we got a different exhaust system on there as well. It looks nice. Can't quite see what it is because it's got exhaust covers over them. Got the carbon fibre rear light inserts that look really nice. A bit blacked out at the back as well. Trofeo badge. Mine never came with one of them. I don't know why. Looks like it's been lowered as well, I'd say. Yeah, this is really smart, this one. 50 free plate Mini. Really liking the rear lights. I haven't seen that really on a Mini before. So it's not overly modified, but just nice touches. It must be LEDs, I guess. A few stickers on there. Big number. White. Little spotlights on the front. Series 3 Abarth here. The red mirrors on. It looks nice. A Fiat 500 here. It's a real nice colour. Liking the little... yeah, I like that colour. Liking the glitter overlay badge. Got another 595. This looks like a Competizione. The red Brembos, of course. Standard with the comps. So that's got the say belts in, half leather like my parents. Ah yeah, and it's a convertible as well like my parents as well. And this is actually a newer model because it's got the exhaust exits on top of each other. I haven't actually seen one of these in the flesh. That's pretty cool. Another Series 3. Nice big exhaust out the back. Quite like this colour. Red mirrors. Best modification for a Abarth ever, or one of them, the Ford induction kit. Got the red piping on here as well. Got Paul here in his very modified Series 3 Abarth. Haven't seen him for a while. Used to see him a lot at the meets that I used to go to. I think he's de-stickered a little bit. But yeah, looking really cool, and look at it in there. Absolutely nuts in there. Got the battery cover over there. SS detailing on the engine cover there. Little dress-up bolts. The strut race inside as well. Very low big splitter at the front. Subaru WRX, I really like these. Like the yellow bits on the lights, I don't think that's a standard thing. Blacked out grille, nice big bonnet scoop. It just looks so aggressive from about there. It's actually in a, I'd say navy blue. It looks black, but I think it's navy blue. It looks pretty low. Yeah, this is quite low, this one. That's smart. Another Abarth here turned up, but not just that, it's actually from Ukraine, so it's a left-hand drive. So yeah, seeing an Abarth with foreign plate is foreign to us. But we'll just have a quick look around. It's got the red and white little thing going on here, the leather seats. It's also an automatic, and also you've got the steering wheel. To us, on the wrong side. Got a few minis. Really like this yellow one with the white big bowler wheels on. Nice little exhaust exit down there. In the best colour, of course, like a primrose kind of yellow. Got a couple of nice little stickers. I love stickers. A little bit of a kind of metallic-y edition. Oh, it's a supercharged. It must be a Cooper S then. A little bit of blacking out on the front. A clean looking Mini here on a K plate. Look at it all crammed in there. Very tidy bay though. Loving the old school Mini badge. Definitely a selection of Minis here. This one's quite nice in the bright red. We've got another more old school one here. The spotlights on the front, all the chrome work. Massive thick tyres there. Real nice clean wheels. Another Mini here in a very nice colour, orange. I guess this one's called Bumble, hence the plates. Looks quite nice and original. Oh, I like the metallic mirrors. That looks really nice. The inside's open, so it'd be rude not to. Leyland badge on the front. Got another Mini here, but look at those. They're like chrome effect wheels. They're really popping in the sunshine here. Also got the two-tones. We've got a silver roof with the little sunroof as well. Very, very clean.
Lovely colour.
It's like a deep blue, isn't it, Martin?
And they look great with the chrome.
Yeah, those wheels are just like really...
That's a lovely colour. Silver roof.
I like that. Tinted windows as well.
That's really nice.
Wow, look at the little side indicators.
Classy.
Just sits in that little recess. It's quite nice.
I like that.
Big old plate on there. That's nice, that is.
Lovely
Cool,
colour
isn't it?
blue, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, modern Mini, but me and Martin were saying how we like the little edition. So it's got a purple S badge, and we really like the stripes, the blue and purple. Looks really, really nice. Also, they are metallic as well. There's nice little touches can really make a car sometimes. So this is pretty nuts. This is like an old school Clubman, but there's all sorts of details going on here. I don't really know where to start. Suzuki twin cam lump in there. Even the stick's got some modifications on, as in writing. Got this rust effect on the bodywork. It's all just a bit of a pretty mad build. Even the inside, I mean, look at that. There's even like a skateboard wheel there for the window winder. Very weird, very wicked, I like it. Now we've got Tom's dad in a Mondeo, who's seen that before at my meet previously, and who's seen them before. Tom's mum's also got a Ford with some cool Yoda stickers on, Baby Yoda. So Tom's bigger bath has broken, so he's bought his little bath in its place. That's actually quite funny. Yeah, so his bigger bath, there's a bit of a leak or something, so unfortunately it couldn't be here, so he's brought Mini Me along. These are really cool, I really like these. Wild Alex here as well.
Hello.
Alright, Alex?
I'm good, thank you, mate. You?
Yeah, not too bad. It's a good turnout, isn't
It's
it?
a very good turnout. Yeah, you enjoying it?
Yeah, at least it's not raining, because we've had a bad week so far, haven't we, with weather, but
Yeah, I was a bit keen. I got here quite early and there was fog all around the whole show ground, but no, good turnout.
Nice to see you again.
Take care.
Oh, you can hear it. Got the meet happening here, then this is a museum with planes and helicopters, and then here we have the lovely view of this runway where you keep seeing gliders literally just go over our heads to land. Very nice setting indeed. Joseph, hello.
Good afternoon.
It is afternoon now, isn't it, Joe?
Yes, indeed.
How you going, alright?
Well, I have driven a very nice Nissan 110X, and it wasn't even yours.
That's because mine's not nice.
It is nice, my friend. I actually took footage of it for the video as well, so they could see the difference between what it looks like with the roof off and automatic gearbox, and the fact that the dash is ever so slightly different.
Is it? MR2. The owner of this own a couple, well, they own a collection of cool Toyotas, let's put it that way. So this is in a real nice colour. We'll just go over this side because the window's open. Liking the pretty gangster alloys as well, they're pretty cool. Got Recaro seating here, just the one. Liking the green additions to the inside, got a couple of gauges there. T-bar roof, like my little Nissan I've got here today. Yeah, this is really cool, kind of getting max power vibes with this one, I like it. CRZ, so the CRZs, I really like these. It's like an old school hybrid, well it says it on the back as well, so I'm mostly talking facts for once. Real nice colour, just a real quirky car, I don't see many of them. Although it's modern, as I say, don't see many of them. I wouldn't mind one of these. You can get them in all kinds of budget ranges really. For a not so good one, you can pick them up for around about 1500 I'd say, but for a good one, obviously you're going to pay a bit more, but these are really, really cool cars. Would like one day, that's for sure. Here we have a Volvo 480. I used to have one of these actually. Same interior as mine. Bringing back memories. Never did get mine on the road. So bought it as a project and sold it as a project, unfortunately. The lights are going on the rear. It's a common thing. They just need polishing up. Unfortunately, this one's got a crack in it though. And it's a 480 ES, same model as mine used to be. So real nice to see this here. So we've got a Yaris GR MN. Wow, big old induction kit on there. Look at that filter. Ooh. Also got an EP3 Type R. Didn't bring mine today because it's still not really show worthy by a mile. But notice I'm paying particular attention to the headlights on this because mine do not look like that still. Original wheels on there. Silver. This looks quite clean actually. Mirrors are black, that looks nice. They look nice in silver. Nice example, really cool to see one of these here, wasn't expecting that. Another look at the Yaris GR-MN. These just look really cool with all the graphics and that. Then we have a pretty cool MX-5 here. Massive wide tyres. The over arches as well. Little roll cage in the back. Oh wow, like the yellow rocker cover as well, that's nice. Rammer. On there it's also got a turbo. We've got the little squinty headlight mod on there. That looks really cool. White fours aren't really my thing, but I do appreciate this Discovery. It looks very clean in the dark green. That rhymes, got some red accents going on. It's a very clean example actually. Special vehicle, little badge there. Yeah, you never see him physically this clean or in the condition as this one, but yeah, it's a real nice spot. Look at even all the plastics are all nice, like the lights in the bumper there. It's a really nice example, this is. So I think we're going to head off now. It's been a really good meet, and this has been Fuel Power's first ever meet, so very well done. Location here has been on point. Luckily the field is dry because we've had a week worth of rain. Yeah, real nice location, real nice cars here. Nice to bump into some of my friends. We've got the Hub Nuts here, Joseph from Lloyd Vehicle Consulting, Alex from All Things Alex channel, and of course Genevieve and Jake from the Fuel Power channel. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another.